Can a simple shift knob really transform the feel of your car? This TAFTIWXN setup promises to take your manual driving experience from mundane to magnificent. And honestly, the difference is shocking. We're looking at the 6-speed leather car manual gear shift knob, and right out of the box, you realize this isn't some cheap plastic replacement. The first thing that hits you is the weight. At a hefty 1,000 grams, this knob is serious business. That substantial weight is crucial because it helps the lever drop into gear with satisfying precision, instantly improving the manipulative sense they talk about. The design itself is a huge win for interior aesthetics. The combination of the sleek black leather gaiter boot and the smooth metallic material on the knob instantly elevates the car's interior decoration. It takes that simple, sometimes boring factory shape and makes your car look genuinely distinctive and awesome. During driving, that smooth surface and the cool touch of the metallic material really enhance the comfort of use. It feels premium under your palm, giving you better control over your cool car. This isn't just about looks though. The manual knob shifter truly provides a more comfortable feeling and better control, improving the overall driving experience. Now let's talk about the headache most people fear: installation. TAFTIWXN made this incredibly simple. They include 3 different adapters, which is fantastic for ensuring compatibility across various gear shifter sticks. You just remove the original gear shifter knob, select the adapter that fits your gear lever perfectly, slide the new aluminum shift knob on, and tighten it all up. It's an easy install that anyone can handle, making this a true DIY upgrade. Overall, if you drive a manual and want a quick, impactful upgrade that delivers both style and genuine performance improvement, this shift knob is a fantastic choice. It's heavy, it's comfortable, and it absolutely makes shifting feel more engaging and precise.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.